Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite someone else to your neighborhood on the Heyday game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Heyday game on your device, and once the game is fully loaded, you will be taken through the basic tutorial levels. Once the basic tutorial has completed and you have fully gained access to your game, you will be able to freely move around, and you can also visit others' farm if you wish to do so. However, in order to be able to visit each other's farm, you will need to be friends with the user first. So in order to add someone as your friend, tap on the friends icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on the friend book. You can then simply search for your friend using the search feature, and once you have added someone as your friend, you will find them within your friend list. Now if you wish to visit your friend's farm, you can simply tap on their name and you will directly be taken into their farm. Now once you have been added with someone, they can also visit your farm through the same process. After you have become friends with this person, they can also tap on the friends icon at the bottom right corner and they will be able to tap on your username. As soon as they tap on your username, they will be able to visit your farm or your neighborhood just like you can visit theirs. And there you have it. That is how you can invite someone to visit your neighborhood on the Heyday game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.